Hello, Management 6133 students. Welcome to week 12. We're getting near the end of the course, so I'm sure everybody is really busy with end of semester projects and tests and exams, but hopefully you're still hanging in there and enjoying the program. So this week in week 12, we're returning to supply chain management leadership. So that's what we need to focus on this week, and this week we're going to have a guest speaker who's going to talk about his experiences in supply chain and supply chain leadership and SAP. So what you need to do this week is I want you to revisit the articles. So I have a bunch of articles posted on week 12 module on leadership qualities for supply chain management professionals. So make sure you take a look at those and read them. The other thing you have to do is research our guest speaker. So our guest speaker is Ryan Brigden from the beer store. And I want you to research him and come up with 2 questions and post those 2 questions in the discussion thread by April 3rd. So post your 2 questions here and post them in here again by April 3rd. So anything to do, questions you might want to ask Ryan Brigden. So after you've done that, I would really like it if you could attend our guest speaker session, which is on April 5th. So Tuesday, April 5th at 10 p.m., which is a little bit different time than our usual class. So April 5th at 10 a.m. So the Zoom link is here on the announcements. So if you can attend, that would be great. If you can't attend, it will be recorded and I will post it. Please be advised there will be questions on the final test regarding this guest speaker session. So please, if you cannot attend it, watch the the recording. So once you've attended or watched the recording, please go back to the discussion and post your answers to your questions and also comment on some other things you've learned about the guest speaker and read at least 2 other classmates' posts and answer their questions or respond to their posts or expand their answers. So you need to do that. And other things that need to be done this week, I wanted to remind you that please finish steps 6 and 7 of the practice social intelligence and implementation skills, part 6 and 7. So you need to complete that by April 15th. So that's what you need to do this week. I would also like you to prepare for next week. So next week, let's look at week 13, we will be doing a simulation. Go to week 13. In week 13, we'll be doing the Fresh Connection simulation, and it will be during the regular class time. So if you can attend, please attend. If not, it will be recorded. Before attending the simulation, please read these documents so that you're familiar with the company that we'll be doing the simulation on. So read those documents, then attend the simulation. So here's the link when we'll be doing the simulation, which is April 11th at 9 a.m. So attend that session. If you can't attend it, it will be recorded. Also, if there are a bunch of you who can't attend that session but would really like to do it, maybe in the evening when you're available, please let me know. And if there's, a few of you that would like to do that, then I can host another session. Otherwise, the recording will be posted. I also wanted to remind you that your final yours will be open from April 16th to April 22nd. So it will be a 2-hour final test, test number 2. And you can write it anywhere between April 16th and April 22nd. So our synchronous students who are to be on campus have a specific time they're to write it at, but as you're the online program in the asynchronous class, you will have the entire week to choose when to write it. So I hope that gets you started on this week's activities. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'm here to help you. Have a great week.